All right, here is our room at the Southampton Harbour Hotel. All of the storage here on the left, where you have your robes and slippers, hair dryer, blankets for outside. More storage here. And we can open our mini fridge, mini bar, and tea and coffee station with a decent sized safe. You can fit an iPad in there. Probably my MacBook might fit in there, not sure. All right, take a look at the bathroom. Nice appointed bathroom, double sink, which is wonderful. Here's the shower and tub using Brambly products, it looks like. Nice rainfall shower as well, but also giving you the ability to step out of the rainfall, which from what I understand is good for women who don't like to wash their hair every day. We have a nice full-length mirror here. Beautiful king-size bed. TV. Some books. Complimentary bottle of gin for the room and binoculars. And then our balcony. Plenty of seating out here. And this is our room here at the Southampton Harbour Hotel, and we are extremely excited.